Ladies and gentlemen, a time will come you need to escape from home. You need somewhere to go relax, maybe for your wedding, for just catching up with your partner. You need some place cozy, and I'm going to introduce one of the finest Airbnb properties here in the Volta regional capital to you. This is Mabiza apartment. You can see beautiful edifice behind me, and today I'm going to have a feel of it, and I can share with you also. In case you need a place to book or stay, you need to reach out to me. I can connect you to these ones. These are all one-bedroom apartments, and starting from cities to 1,000 cities, you can make this place your home for some few days. Come, let's check it out. How it looks like. Now look at this beautiful edifice. They have beautiful internet right here, Starlink for sure. They serve breakfast also. In case you book, you just need to settle in there, right? Mabiza. Even if you want a tight budget, right? You have a place for yourself right here. We have several units available, and I like the white bits, right? Come around. Let's go to the tippy top so that we can see elevation. This gives you the view to the iconic Adaklu Mountain, right? Iconic Adaklu Mountain. And you see the white. It's giving that purity vibe. And the internet is all around, so you don't have a problem at all, right? New developments are also coming up. So let's check out the very first room. This area is the ironing room. So in case you come around and want to iron, this is a space for you to iron. Now come. This is your 750 cities room. 750. And you can actually have this. Oh, look at the bed. It's thick and bouncing. Look at the huge bed you have around here. I love this. This is also a fan. Right? Now come to this side. So you have your kitchen area here, you have your dining table, you get to sit and eat. You have a fridge, you have a kettle. Kettle is also available. Then this is the area. And the nicest part of it is that if you are here, you can actually see the Adaklu Mountain. You can actually see the Adaklu Mountain from that area, that view, this view. Right, this is the area for you to cook. You can actually cook at this area. Right? Good. Now come, let's check out the washroom. Definitely you like it also. It's also beautiful, spacious. This is where you do like normal business. This is your sink. This is your mirror. You have a towel also. And this, look at it, molding fitting for your washroom. So 750 cities, you get this room. I said that it's starting from 550 cities upwards. You can actually have a space for yourself. And this, you have a smart TV if you want to Netflix and chill. You know, you can do your things, Spotify and all of that. You have them for you. 750. Come, let's check out the 1,000 cities room. Right? The rooms are lots, whole lot small. Now look at your 1,000 cities room. 1,000 cities. Ladies and gentlemen, 1,000 cities. This is 1,000 cities. Look at the couch. Feels so good. This is your washroom. You saw that one, you know definitely how it looks like. This is your washroom. You have a fridge, you have a mirror here for a selfie. I like it. And you also have a bed here for you and yours. I just love everything about this property. This is your dining area. This also gives you the view to the Adaklu Mountain. So if you've never visited the Adaklu Mountain before, this is the time for you. This is the area for you. You have cabinets, you have plates, you have glasses, you have everything you need in the kitchen right here at this level. You even have garlic. You have garlic in case you want to cook something spicy, right? You have a TV also around this area. You will like it. This room is just beautiful. I like the curtains. And this place you have your ironing board exclusively in the room. So this is more like the deluxe version of the rooms, right? Yeah, I like it. Oh, don't you like it? Yo, so now let's check out the 550 cities room. 550 cities room. And this side also, it gives you the view to the youth resort center. This is the Adaklu Youth Resort Center. So this very side, in case people are there and they are playing football, you can actually enjoy it. And be sweaty, don't mind me. All right. So this is your 550 cities room. Couple of dollars. You can actually have this place for yourself, right? This is a 550, so you have an AC, you have a TV. All the beds are huge. There's a fridge also. Like there's no difference, like the furnishing is top notch across, but I think just the bigness of the room, and some of them comes with some extra bits like the couch and all of that. Right, so this side to the washroom is very nice. Yeah, so this Mabiza apartment for you is beautiful, and then they have some options also coming up where you'll be able to buy a property and keep yourself in case you want to run an Airbnb business. You can buy 1 bedroom, you can buy 2 bedroom. 1 bedroom is 5,000 Ghana cedis, and a 2 bedroom is 7,000 Ghana cedis. So in case you also want to invest into Airbnb, you want to get some unit for yourself. You want a space to keep, and then you get some rental income or investment purposes, you can buy from them. 5,000 cedis for 1 bedroom unit, and 7,000 cedis, 700,000 cedis for 2 bedroom units. We have loads of units here, loads of units. So if you have that corporate retreat, you have an organization, or you want to move and have a place for yourself, we have loads of the rooms here. We have like 3 different floors: the ground floor, middle floor, and the top floor. We have loads of the room. You can do what you like. So these are Mabiza apartments. In case you want to book, reach out to Door Chronicles on 054-7293-193 or 020-470023 and get yours now. Book it for all your events and more. Right? Good.